If I could go back and give my younger self just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. If I could give anyone just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. It's so sad to see so many people give up on the life they want to live, just because of the need to fit in. Fit in with parents, fit in with friends, fit in with society. Too afraid to dream of how great life can be, because life and others have offered plenty of examples of what could go wrong. Plenty of examples of how hard life is, how much of a struggle life is. Well, I don't buy that. I believe everyone is capable of creating the life they want. I refuse to believe we are stuck. I refuse to believe in limitations. We are capable of anything, if, only if, we believe that. Because with belief comes action. With belief comes possibilities. With belief, we are open to opportunities. When we refuse to give up on our dream, when we seek to find examples of those who have achieved the life they want, when we want to learn how we can make steps forward every day, when we are open to learn more, when we are willing to work for it, when we trust our intuition and follow our hearts, when we have the courage to trust the universe and reach for the sky, well, then anything is possible. If you believe it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, there's no doubt you can be it. Believe in yourself. Shakespeare said our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt. See, most people fear failure, so much they don't even try. Therefore they fail by default. Achieving anything of significance in life will never be easy, but the only way you can guarantee not achieving anything is if you never try in the first place. You do not know what is going to happen in the future. Anything can happen if you believe in yourself and are willing to learn how to make it happen. It might not happen right away. It might take you longer than expected. But if you are committed and maintain belief that in the end, you will achieve your desired outcome, you will achieve your desired outcome. Never give up. Never ever give up. I believe I can create my own reality. Because it's a strong belief to hold. Because when I feel good, more good things come. When I'm low, more low moments come. If you don't believe you create your own reality, then you're at the mercy of your circumstances. At the mercy of what happens to you. I couldn't think of much worse ways to live than always be reacting as if life has something against me. Life presents challenges to all of us. When we accept all things that arrive not as good or bad, but as part of our journey, we can respond to all things with character and presence, rather than react in hate or anger. When we know that life isn't holding something personal, but rather see it as a challenge given to the strong, we can deal with it better. Never give up. Never ever give up.